The next thing I want to do is try working with different URL links. So this is the link to the Passengers of Titanic from Wikipedia page. Let's see that we have worked with before when we were working with coding. So let's see if we can extract the data on this page using different large language models, and let's search for specific information in there. So let's search for the ticket price of an adult passenger. Can you tell me the ticket price of an adult passenger based on the link provided? Based on the Wikipedia on link, sorry, based on Wikipedia link provided. So Bard once again did a tremendous job in terms of extracting the relevant information for us. The $13 price that we've seen before in the coding section was coming from this, and that is the average price that a second class citizen pay, a second class passenger paid. So this data is right, it's not hallucinating. Bard does a great job in terms of extracting the relevant information from a link. Now let's go and try the same one in GPT. So I'm going to start a new instance, go to GPT, switch on web browsing, and then provide the information. Bing won't be able to, because Bing does not search through the internet links and provide relevant information accordingly. That's what my hypothesis is. Let's see if Bing can do the job too. I'm sorry, I'm currently experiencing issues in accessing the link. So once again, if you're looking for, oh, actually did something, depending on the type of the accommodation chosen. Okay, so now it's not giving us the information based on the link, but it's giving us the information based on the data it has already been trained on. Because it's a YouTube, it's a Wikipedia link that was there in 2021 already. ChatGPT is already trained on it, so that's why it's providing us the information, but it's unable to fetch the link. So if you're working with latest data, Bard is a no-brainer. According to Wikipedia, the average ticket price for an adult passenger was $13. Okay, where is this coming from? So now it ignored our link and it created its own source of information, right? So if how do I know that? So if I just take this topic and without the link, if I provide this, then let's see. I am expecting a similar answer as before. Okay, so yes, Big did the right job in terms of when I provided the link with the question, it was able to fetch the information from that link and provide me the average price for a second class passenger, and it's actually going through that Wikipedia links to extract the information from us. Now I want to show you the example where Bard will fail as well. So for instance, I have this link for an OpenAI research paper news that they released a blog saying introducing ChatGPT app for iOS. So now ChatGPT is available on your iOS. If you're based in the US, it's going to roll out to other countries soon. I want to extract the information from this link. So there are a lot of things I want to figure out if I can extract this information about discover the versatility of ChatGPT specifically. So I provided the link. Can you please summarize the information in the heading of in the link above from OpenAI? And then I will copy this and do the same exercise on GPT and on Bing. So let's start with Bard. Instant answer, tailored advice, creative writing, answering questions. So from the looks of it, it looks like Bard did the job in terms of extracting the relevant information, and it's providing us information related to ChatGPT's release, that these are some of the features that we will get. Instant answers, tailored advice, creative inspiration, professional learning opportunities. So actually Bard did a tremendous job in terms of fetching the information and getting us the right information from an external URL link. So if you're working with external data, Bard is your go-to choice now. Let's look at ChatGPT. This time ChatGPT worked as well, maybe because it was a link from OpenAI, so it was already had an idea of how the website is being built and it's able to research its own company website. That's why, but it got us the right information. And if we look at Bing is just providing a summary of the article instead of specifically answering our question, which was to summarize the points in that specific section. So in this way, you can work with URLs and Wikipedia pages. You can push in a URL into the LLM model and ask it to summarize for us, and then you can use it for creating your own information, whether it's creating a blog or writing a book or creating a social media post, whatever you want to do with it. This way, it allows you to extract the data from different URLs and different links that you want to work with if they are not already in the model, such as the data after 2021. And this has been a powerful upgrade since what we have seen before. And of course, Bard has, this section tells us that when it comes with working with live data, Bard has a tremendous advantage over all the other large language models of ChatGPT and Bing.